Welcome to Babonga's channel. You only need one crystal wand. This one. Let's make it a quartz crystal wand. Now maybe we wanna change it into an amethyst crystal wand, or even a carnelian crystal wand. As you see, it doesn't take much. Just detach and then attach another one. This is my favorite crystal wand top or point or head, the obsidian one. And when I don't need that anymore, I can easily change it into a jade crystal wand. Pretty handy. So this is why in the beginning of this video I said that you only need one crystal wand. And I'm going to show you how to make this wand and the detachable crystal tops very soon in a video tutorial.